It always seems impossible until it's done. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. The greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. Courageous people do not fear forgiving for the sake of peace. I learned that courage was not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it. A winner is a dreamer who never gives up. Do not judge me by my successes. Judge me by how many times I fell down and got back up again. The brave man is not he who does not feel afraid, but he who conquers that fear. There is no passion to be found playing small, in settling for a life that is less than the one you are capable of living. Freedom is indivisible. The chains on any one of my people were the chains on all of them. The chains on all of my people were the chains on me. Our human compassion binds us the one to the other, not in pity or patronizingly, but as human beings who have learnt how to turn our common suffering into hope for the future. I dream of an Africa which is in peace with itself. It is better to lead from behind and to put others in front, especially when you celebrate victory when nice things occur. You take the front line when there is danger. Then people will appreciate your leadership. To deny people their human rights is to challenge their very humanity. A good head and a good heart are always a formidable combination. I am not a saint unless you think of a saint as a sinner who keeps on trying. Difficulties break some men but make others. No axe is sharp enough to cut the soul of a sinner who keeps on trying, one armed with the hope that he will rise even in the end. Resentment is like drinking poison and then hoping it will kill your enemies. After climbing a great hill, one only finds that there are many more hills to climb. I like friends who have independent minds because they tend to make you see problems from all angles. When a man has done what he considers to be his duty to his people and his country, he can rest in peace. The greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. It is not where you start, but how high you aim that matters for success. One cannot be prepared for something while secretly believing it will not happen. A good leader can engage in a debate frankly and thoroughly, knowing that at the end he and the other side must be closer, and thus emerge stronger.